let's talk about some of the larger things that we had to do here in terms of a fix and flip.
Well, we know when we bought this house, we had to do things that we didn't get paid back for, necessarily like the roof. We had to put new windows in, we didn't have a choice. They were single pane, nasty. Definitely improves the value of it.
Yeah, and they're bright and they're light.
We also had to do a new furnace, so we did stuff that we had to, the house needed.
Yeah, and you don't get paid back on those, but it is needed.
Yeah, it does help saleability.
Okay.
Yeah, we do have.
You have to overlay the roof.
Yep.
Now, we're in a homeowner association, so we had to get homeowner association approval
Yep.
prior to doing
That's
the
right.
roof. So that's another tip that's there.